What's up, peeps? It's your boy JTX Official. Just wait, so you don't know that go. First and foremost, let me say thanks to all of my supporters, my subscribers. Thank you very much for the support, the views, the likes, the comments. Yeah, big up on yourself and continue, you understand? Because you soon get massive value soon from you. So more have to post more content more often now. So you're not gonna get more content more often, but you understand? Just stay tuned and just go and pre out the video. Cause you don't know say a strictly madness from you see JTX face though chop the one and him. I'm my brother. Yeah. So once again, thanks, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment. You see, you don't know you go. Big up on yourself.
Big better deal. Me said that is starting me now, so I'm gonna see if you're alright. Yeah, I'll take a few minutes. Big bro, yeah, deal. Me said that is starting, but it coming like you left your right side out of the door. You don't see? You don't see? You're blind? Hmm? You must left your right side out of the door. Where you big? I'm big nothing better. I can't come take up on my bed and take it in good again. I can't do that. I can't do that. Everything good, man. You see it? Everything mucho. You see, pray. Me just did I wonder if you could have my cast at me $1,000 for me buy one skin for me see if I avatar, cause right now you know in a slippers and tall socks and you don't no clothes. You better naked. I don't know why mommy never comb her nose and pop your ass neck when she did that push you out. You know, just say you don't want nothing. I gotta say, thanks bro, that's why I have to love me big brother sign. It's only when you're hungry or I want something to benefit you link me, you know. Big bro, you don't know the things set already. As I said, hungry. You know, some of the mass up sitting, you know. Because some of your last come, little sugar. You know, no new anime we can go watch. Just give me some of your confidence while you're at it. Come on, Tommy. Fire, dude, brother.